If you're juggling tasks, deadlines, and distractions, most productivity apps either feel overwhelming or too simple to actually help. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Lunatask for real work. Not theory, not hacks, just a clear system that keeps tasks, focus, and planning in one place. This is beginner friendly. You can follow along even if you have never used Lunatask before. Now, who is this for? This setup works well if you work on computer most of the day, manage tasks, projects, or content, or you want clarity without micromanaging your life. You don't need to be a productivity expert. I'll explain everything as we go along. Now let's dive in. What is Lunatask? At its core, Lunatask is a work and life organization app that combines task management, notes, habits, and focus planning. But what actually makes it different is how simple and intentional everything feels. It's designed to reduce mental load, not add to it. Now, when it comes onto setting up Lunatask, it is actually quite straightforward. The first thing you'll need to do is go onto lunatask.app. From there, you can tap on Get Started for free. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Open App Store. And from there, you can install the app. Once you have installed the app, you will be redirected to the app as you can see right here. And the first thing I want you to do is set up a task, because this is where most people actually struggle when it comes onto Lunatask. In Lunatask, tasks are intentionally lightweight. You're not forced to overplan. By the way, I've also included a link in the description with a discount code that you can use to sign up. So you're just going to tap on the plus in the bottom left hand corner. And from here, you could tap on New Task. After you have tapped on New Task, from here, you can enter your task. So each task is a clear action, not a vague goal. I keep task names short and specific, as you can see right there. If something feels big, I split it into smaller steps. Instead of managing dozens of lists, Lunatask keeps everything visible and calm. This alone helps reduce that I'm forgetting something feeling. So you can simply enter in a new task right here. For example, I'm currently in the personal area of my life. So let's say, for example, with the personal area, I could type in, let's say, grocery list. And from here, I could type out a grocery list. And you can also see right here, I could choose the priority. You can also go over to the bottom right hand corner. From here, you can set up it if it will be recurring, or you can tap on the calendar right here and you can choose to defer it to a particular date. So that's how you'll be able to set it up, and you can see an example of how it looks right there. Now the next step I'll be showing you is how to use the areas to separate work from everything else. If we were to go over to the left hand menu option, you can see that I have personal tasks and I also have work area. To create different areas, you'll tap on the plus in the bottom left hand corner. Then from there, you could tap on area of your life. And if you're on the free plan, you'll only be able to create 2 areas. So I would recommend that you go onto the paid plan, which will allow you to separate it. So you could create work, for example, personal and ongoing responsibilities. This matters because work tasks shouldn't live next to groceries or reminders. So for example, if I were to go into work, you can see how it looks right there. When I'm in my work area, I only see work-related tasks. That focus alone makes a big difference. Let's talk about planning your day without over-planning. Lunatask doesn't force strict scheduling, and that's intentional. Now here's my daily flow. I open Lunatask in the morning. I'll simply tap right at work right here. So I look at what's already in my work area. Then I'll choose a small, realistic set of tasks for the day. No aggressive time blocking, no guilt if something moves to tomorrow. This makes Lunatask work well for creative work, knowledge work, and also flexible schedules. Now, one thing I personally like is that Lunatask encourages focus without pressure. So if you're not constantly reminded to optimize or hustle, it's more about working on one big thing at a time, finishing tasks intentionally, and also avoiding constant context switching. For me, that makes it easier to stay consistent instead of burning out. And also, when it comes onto Lunatask, you'll also get a notes features. So if I were to tap on notes from the top left hand corner, And with their notes, you can use it for work ideas, you can use it for planning outlines, and also reference materials. So you can tap right here, write something beautiful after you have given your note a name. And if I were to go down to the bottom of the page, you can see where you can paste in a link. You can also upload photos or PDF. And if it is a case that you like to embed a code, you can do that, as you can see right there. So you're given numerous options where you can add materials. So that is perfect. So with notes, it is simple and connected to tasks when needed. That means no jumping between apps, no cluttered dashboards. Everything related to work lives together. This is especially helpful if you write, plan content, or manage ongoing projects. Now let's talk about the habits feature. Lunatask includes habits, but they are not aggressive or gamified. So I use habits for things like daily planning, focus routines, work-related consistency. They're there to support your workflow, not control it. And you can see how it looks right here. So this is how your daily habits will look. And from here, you'll be able to set a habit. And if you would like to add an habit, you'll simply go over to the bottom left-hand corner, tap on the plus. From there, you can tap on add a new habit. And you can type in the habit name, as you can see right there. Then you can choose whether you like it to be repeated every day, and you can also choose the time that you would need right there. So that's quite simple and easy. Lunatask works best if you want a calm system, less mental clutter, and one place for work planning. It's not built for heavy corporate project management or large team collaboration. And that's a good thing if you work independently or manage your own workload. With Lunatask, unlike other to-do apps, it does not take long for you to get value, as it is quite easy and straightforward to set up. And once you set it up, I believe that within less than a week, you'll be able to get value for your money, and you realize that your work and personal life balance has been improved. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And by the way, I've included a discount code in the description and pinned comment, and thank you for watching.